Here's another exercise that you will have to do. It's called step up. We don't have any steps in here. So what I use is a box of trash bags. But what you got to do is first put your foot up, bring yourself up on it, because there might be a little plate in the box. You don't want to break nothing. You don't want to lose your balance. And you want the box to work. So to do your step ups while you're in the office, it's just that simple. Never, ever, ever give up on therapy. The pain is a constant reminder that you're alive, which is absolutely a good thing. The fact that you can do this says you're healing. Another good thing. It's as simple as that. A box of trash bags. Don't fall behind on your therapy. It's your fault.